Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we are back in Overbrook Estates by Toll Brothers in Huntersville, North Carolina. Now, this is a community that's quickly becoming one of the area's premier destinations for luxury living. What makes this community so appealing, though, is its location, because you are just minutes from Lake Norman, you're close to shopping and dining at Birkdale Village, and you're only a short drive to Uptown Charlotte, as well as the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This community truly offers the perfect balance of peaceful suburban living with easy access to everything the Charlotte region has to offer. But beyond the location, residents will enjoy future amenities including a clubhouse, a competition-style pool, gathering spaces, activity rooms, a fire pit lounge, as well as having direct access to the McDowell Greenway. Now, let's take a look at today's model. Today, we are touring the Harlow, which is part of the Elmspring Collection. This stunning floor plan starts at $788,995 and offers over 3,400 square feet of living space with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. From the moment you walk through the front door, you are welcomed by an impressive 2-story foyer that immediately opens into one of the home's biggest showstoppers, the breathtaking 2-story great room. Flowing directly from the great room is the gourmet kitchen, designed with both everyday living and entertaining in mind. It features a large center island, abundant of cabinetry, a spacious walk-in pantry, and a casual dining area that leads directly to the outdoor patio. The Harlow's layout is a perfect balance between luxury and functionality. The flexible living space can easily become a home office, media room, fitness space, or a playroom, just depending on your family's needs. One of my favorite features is that every bedroom has access to its own full bathroom, giving family members and guests added privacy and convenience. Upstairs, the primary suite feels like you're in your own private retreat. The spa-inspired bathroom includes dual vanities, a freestanding soak-in tub, an oversized walk-in shower, and a private water closet. The laundry room is conveniently located on the same level as the primary suite and additional bedrooms, making everyday routines much more convenient. The Harlow is a home that truly combines open concept living with sophisticated design and practical functionality. Whether you're hosting large gatherings or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, this floor plan offers plenty of flexibility for the way people live today. So if you are considering buying a new construction home anywhere in the Charlotte, Huntersville, or Lake Norman area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.